Who wants some? This is so good. Such a good feeling. Welcome and welcome back to my garden. So today I am just eating anything that my garden gives me. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much to my new family that recently came on board. I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so and come garden with me now, man. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
There are a few others up there that I need to get, so let's get them. Oh, oh my. This one was so ripe, it just fell. Oh. I'm trying to pull this one to me so they don't fall. Oh, damn. I am in no luck this morning at all. Well, I pity I did spot them earlier. Ants. So this one is not fully ripe. So this is how we have to get them, because if they are like those, that is what will happen. So I have to get them like these. I'm too short. Wow. And another one. ants all over. Ants, ants, ants. Oh, oh. So I went to get this one down there. I could have bothered to bring the camera. So I got this one as well. Ah, so these will ripen maybe 2 to 3 days. Oh, this one has on so many white flies on there. I'm going to wash it off. All right, so I washed this one off. So I'm going to make sure that I check the tree in the mornings. Well, I know I'm not going to spot everything, but at least I could see maybe the obvious ones. So I'm going to keep checking so that they don't go to waste like this. But these will be going in my compost, my liquid fertilizer that is. I have a one corn over here. It has been waiting to come off. I can't wait to plant my other corns and I hope to do much better with them. These that you're seeing, I'm just allowing them, to do their thing, and then I'm just going to replenish the container. I think I'm going to take out these from here. I may put the corns in another location, I'm not sure. See this one not going anywhere. This one either not going anywhere. This one looks like it's ready. Let me take it off. Yeah. This one, the ants on there. This one is ready. Mosquito, ants, everything attacking me right now. So this one was on there too long. This one was actually drying out. You can see? Yeah. See the difference? So I'm going to use this for planting. I'm going to have this one. Let me just check the others. On second thoughts, guys, I'm just going to see what I can salvage from them right now. So if I can take out these later and just replenish the containers and just start over some corns. So nothing from here. Because even if these are going to get bigger, as you can see, they won't get much bigger anyways. So might as well I just do away with them. I've sown some more of this variety, but not all of them sprouted. So getting that one and ready now, even ready right now to be planted. That is good because it's already dried. This can still go in my soup too. So I'm just getting this callaloo right here. It's actually going to seed. So I am taking off the entire branch like this. See? Going to seed. So I'm just getting them. They'll be nice and tender in the pot. Alright, so I will be getting these as well. Pak choy. I'll be getting all the bottom leaves. Let me get the basket. I spotted a few leaf miners on two of the edges. I am just going to take them off and use the rest. This one is filled with leaf miners, so I'm not even going to put it in the basket. I'm going to get rid of it when I'm finished. So I will leave it like this. Let it spring up back. Alright, so I have my bell pepper or sweet pepper. Just going to take this one alone. So this is my little harvest. Yeah, that's my little harvest for this morning. It is so hot, guys. Look how I'm sweating. So hot. Alright, so it is not a lot to be harvested now in my garden, but I am working towards it. I am forever grateful when I can come around here and get something from a container. That's one less money spent. And the peace of mind that I get from doing this, it is second to none. I am telling you. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until tomorrow, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.